Hi, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. In today's SQL Accounting System tutorial, I'll talk about stock category module. Before we start, if you want to watch others SQL Accounting or Payroll tutorial, please go to syntax.com.my, YouTube, and here is all the accounting and payroll tutorial. Please go to facebook.com/syntaxtechnologies, like my page, and also follow. Please remember to take this C first so that you can watch all my latest posts. Now let's go to SQL Accounting. Stock category is a additional module, meaning you need to purchase separately. It is very useful if you want to see certain report that is go by stock category instead of the stock itself. I show you example. Let's say we have different stock, and I have a new stock called Samsung. It's TV, Samsung, maybe 5-inch. Example, give a price. Example. Okay. I have this new item. Then what I need to do is under category, I can select different category. This item belong to TV category, belong to Samsung, belong to 75-inch. How you going to create all this category? It goes to stock, maintain stock category. So as you can see, you can maintain a stock category by keying in a new code and description. Maybe you have a category called spare parts. And it can be a category just like this. Remember, in all the module in SQL Accounting System, all the code can be alphanumeric, mean can be number, can be wording. Now, you just do your transaction invoicing, purchasing as normal. The only difference will happen when you watch or when you see reports. Let's say we go to sales, print sales document listing. Let's say I want to see invoice listing. So over here you can see there is a category. What you can do is you can select based on different category. If you want to have more than one category, what you need to do is click on the actually a two-dot button, then you select the category. Let's say I only want to see invoice listing that involve TV and Sony. Okay, apply. So over here, it will only show those invoice that fulfill these two categories. Okay. And if you want to have more details, then you need to have our sales and purchase reporting module where you have all the additional reporting. Example, let's say you go to sales price history. So I want to see from this date, I want to see all the sales involve TV that is 75-inch. Then this is the tool. Okay, so you can see that the item is actually include of Huawei and also Sony, which is also 75-inch. So this is how good the category can be. Of course, you can go to others also. Let's say you want to know what is the best selling brand. Then maybe you can go to sales analysis by document, by quantity and amount. And I want to compare category of maybe Samsung, Sony, and Huawei. Apply. So you can see that which is the top value or top quantity. So basically, stock category module is for you to categorize stock into different category. If you only use one category, then no need to buy this module. You can use the stock group as well. But if one item separate into different category and you want to see report for purchasing or even sales by category, then this is very, very useful for you. Now, once again, if you're interested in stock category module or SQL accounting, SQL payroll, or site maintenance, feel free to contact me directly. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. Thank you.